Hello students, today we are going to learn future perfect tense, its uses. Future perfect tense refers to the completion of an action before another action in the future. Please listen to these words and read these words very attentively. Future perfect refers to the completion of an action before another action in the future. With the example, I am going to explain again. By the end of next month, Jessica will have left for her hostel. This here two actions will take place in future. One action is by the end of next month and another action is Jessica will have left for her hostel. So this by the end of next month Jessica will have left for hostel. Here will have left is future perfect tense. It also highlights one future action before the other. Jessica's leaving occurs before the month comes to an end, and that's why here is future perfect tense. So what is the sentence structure in future perfect tense? Subject plus will or shall plus have, then past participle form of the main verb. With the help of this timeline, you can understand it in better way. Jessica's leaves for hostel action 1, month comes to an end action 2. Before the second action takes place, Jessica's first action will take place, and in this case first action will have future perfect tense. Now let's practice. Fill in the blanks with future perfect tense forms of the verbs given in brackets. It's very simple, as it is already said what we have to do. Amrita complete. So here it will be Amrita will have completed her graduation by next year. Number 2, by 6 p.m. tomorrow I shall have finished writing this essay. Number 3, the medical scientists will have discovered a cure for cancer within the next 20 years. Number 4, several countries in South Asia will have risen as powerful nations in the next decade. Number 5, Sheila is in charge of the annual maintenance of these machines. She will have checked all the machines before this week ends. So in this way, rest of the sentences you will complete and you will show me. Now again, future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense refer to a longer action at a particular time in the future. Once again, continuous means duration, longer action continued for some time in future. It denotes an action that started before and will continue through a longer period of time in the future. Now in declarative sentences, structure of future continuous tense will be subject plus will plus have, then been, then present participle form of the main verb. Let's take up the example. Mr. Dubey will have been working in our school for 20 years next Monday. So what is the structure? Mr. Dubey is subject, then will, then have been working, present participle form of the verb. So this is the structure of future perfect continuous tense in declarative sentence. Here Dubey's working in the school started before and will continue till beyond next Monday. So this duration of time in future is expressed through future continuous tense. In interrogative sentences, verb will come in front, auxiliary verb, and in negative sentences we have to add not with auxiliary verb will. So in interrogative sentence, what will be the structure? Will Mr. Dubey have been working in our school for 20 years next Monday? And in negative sentence, Mr. Dubey will not have been working in our school for 20 years next Monday. Now, where to use this future perfect continuous tense? As already said, future perfect continuous is used to refer to a longer action before a particular action in future. Longer action, duration, we have to keep it in mind. Again, a future ongoing action that will begin before a point of time in the future and will continue beyond that time. For example, Latika will have been watching the news by the time her husband arrives home. Husband has not arrived till now. He will arrive, and that time Latika will have been watching. So this future action, which will take some time, will be expressed in future continuous tense. Now see here in let's practice part, given below is a list of people and their professions. Make sentences using the future perfect continuous to say that these people will be busy doing at certain points during the day. Now first example, Shahid, who is a chef and he perhaps preparing pasta. How to express it in future perfect continuous tense? Shahid, the chef, will have been preparing pasta for all. Number 2, Indira, typist. Indira, the typist, will have been typing a mail. So in this way you will be completing this, at least three more you will complete and submit. That will be the end of perfect tenses. And girls, students, if you have any problem, please clear your doubts asking me. Thank you, students.